This is Productivity Hack by Sociorac. Subscribe to our channel for weekly hacks. So, let's see the secret to be master at time management. Last week we talked about 1-3-5 technique for to-do list. But still, some people face problems in getting things done and complete their tasks of the day. Imagine being a blogger and you want to write a blog. Usually what we do is, we add this task to our to-do list like post a blog. The moment reminder pops up, your brain is like, not now. It's such a big task. Before starting it I should take a small break and then we'll focus. And you end up taking a very long break and procrastinate the task. So instead of writing, write a blog. Divide this into small categories. Number 1, title. Search for the appropriate title for your blog and finalize it. Number 2, process the collected information, and create it into the content that everyone would love to read. Number 3, start with the writing part. These 2 steps are the most important and crucial. Number 4, get the creative images to make your blog look amazing. Number 5, upload your blog and share it on different social media platforms to reach your audience. By doing this you are actually fooling your brain, and avoiding procrastinating. This method will always help you stay focused and get your things done. Download Sociorac, the productivity app from the link below. See you next week with a new productive hack. Until then, have a productive week.